Spirituality is nothing but a science. Spirituality as a science, as a study, is the greatest and healthiest exercise that a human mind can have. स्वामी विवेकानंद. बुक टाइटल आत्मिक उन्नति के 4 चरण, साधना, स्वाध्याय, संयम और सेवा. 4 stages of self-evolution: meditation, self-study, perseverance and selfless service. As Swami Vivekananda said, if you have to grow from inside out, none can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher than your own soul. Pandit Sri Ram Sharma had given the slogan, हम बदलेंगे, युग बदलेगा. That is, I will change, the world will change. If every person changes and tries to rise higher, then the whole society can become elevated and prosperous. Why do we need to change? How should we change? Just as we must wash a brass vessel to make it shine, in the same way, to enhance our personality, we must cleanse it. The author has given 4 stages of spiritual progress. First, meditation, sadhana. Second, self-study, swadhyay. Third, patience or perseverance, sanyam. Fourth, volunteer or selfless service of others, seva. These are the 4 tools by which we can improve. Just as gold ornaments are made from raw metal by heating it in fire, as a gardener cuts bushes and gives them the form of beautiful plants, similarly, we can make our uncultured life cultured through spiritual practice. Just as the filthiness of our body is removed by taking a bath, similarly, self-study removes the filth, aches and pains from our mind, utilizing ourselves for others. If we bring self-control into our life, then we can stop the gross wastage of our powers. A man or woman is indebted to society because he or she is a social animal. We should take out time for the service of the society instead of spending all our time for ourselves, but for the service of the country, religion, society and culture. In this way, we can walk on the path of spiritual progress by adopting 4 basics in life. We can make ourselves sophisticated and change, as a result of which the progress of society becomes but natural. Glad to present a book that can help you to move a step towards your spiritual success. Book excerpts. What is society? A mere group of humans or people. The properties of the society will be similar to the properties of the group of people. It is not a different entity in itself, but a mere collection of people. Hence, when we say the transformation of humans would also mean to improve our present. If we improve our time, means we would be able to change the course of the era. And changing the course of the era means we will change the society. आखिर समाज क्या है? समाज व्यक्तियों का समूह मात्र है. व्यक्ति जैसे होंगे वैसा ही तो समाज बनेगा. समाज कोई अलग चीज नहीं है, वरन व्यक्तियों के समूह का नाम है. इसीलिए व्यक्तियों को श्रेष्ठ बनाने का मतलब है समय को अच्छा बनाना, और समय को अच्छा बनाने का मतलब है युग के प्रवाह को बदल देना. युग का प्रवाह बदल देना अर्थात समाज बदल देना. External circumstances are in a way connected to our internal thoughts. It is our thoughts that shape the circumstances accordingly. When we wish, it stimulates the brain. The brain manages the bodily functions. The brain and the body, both functions are inspired by our conscience. Therefore, if we transform our internal beliefs and loyalties, we can change the structure of our lives. बाहर की परिस्थितियां मन की स्थिति के ऊपर निर्भर है. मन जैसा ही हमारा होता है, परिस्थितियां उसी के अनुरूप बननी शुरू हो जाती हैं. हम इच्छाएं करते हैं, इच्छाओं से हमारा मस्तिष्क काम करता है. मस्तिष्क की गणनाओं से शरीर काम करता है। शरीर और मस्तिष्क दोनों ही हमारी अंतरात्मा की अंतःकरण की प्रेरणा से काम करते हैं। सेल्फ स्टडी और सेल्फ टीचिंग is required to cleanse the malignant thoughts. We usually have similar thoughts and perceptions as that of our friends and families. Because we have only been in their company, that often limits the boundaries. To evolve, we should seek the company of those who are best in their fields. As it is said, if you are the best in your class, you are in the wrong class. We are what we see around us. Hence, we should change the environment around us to have a fresh approach towards life. मन की मलिनता को धोने के लिए स्वाध्याय अति आवश्यक है। दृष्टिकोण और विचार प्रायः वही जमे रहते हैं हमारे मस्तिष्क में जो कि बहुत दिनों से पारिवारिक और अपने मित्रों के सानिध्य में हमने सीखे और जाने। अब हमको श्रेष्ठ विचार अपने भीतर धारण करने के लिए श्रेष्ठ पुरुषों का सत्संग करना चाहिए। Important topics covered in the book are stages of spiritual transformation, perseverance and service, sadhana, self-study,